My name is Bridgette Nelson. I'm in the Diesel Technology program with Tyson Daly as my teacher. Since I was a little girl, I wanted to be a mechanic. At 4 years old, I started watching my dad work on cars in his garage. As I got older, he started teaching me how to fix them on my own. My dad told me I come from a long line of mechanics on his side. I'd be the 5th generation of mechanics. I'm just continuing the tradition. I feel education is important because I want to further develop my skills, increase my knowledge, and gain experience. I want to make sure that engine runs properly, safely, and dependably to ensure the customer feels safe and satisfied. I really enjoy hands-on work. Just today, we learned how to pull off the drum behind the tires and get to the brakes. It was awesome to get into it. To those considering going to MTECH, I would tell them this is such an awesome school and they set you up for success. They are willing to provide interpreters, the teachers are willing to work one-on-one with you and teach at your level.